Welcome to our exploration of lean construction principles, a methodology revolutionizing the construction industry. In this video, we'll delve into the core concepts that drive efficiency, reduce waste, and enhance collaboration in construction projects. Lean construction is based on principles derived from lean manufacturing, adapted to suit the unique challenges of the construction process. Let's explore the key principles shaping lean construction. The first principle is value. In lean construction, value is defined as anything the customer is willing to pay for. Identifying and delivering this value is crucial. A value stream map helps visualize the construction process, highlighting areas of improvement and waste reduction. Next, we have flow. Creating a smooth and uninterrupted flow of work is essential for efficiency. Lean construction emphasizes the need to eliminate bottlenecks and optimize the sequence of tasks, ensuring a continuous and streamlined construction process. The pull principle involves aligning work stages with actual demand, avoiding overproduction and reducing excess inventory. Pull systems help maintain a steady workflow, preventing delays and unnecessary costs. The pursuit of perfection is an ongoing journey. Embracing a culture of continuous improvement is fundamental to lean construction. Regularly reviewing and refining processes ensures that projects become progressively more efficient and effective over time. Now that we've covered the principles, let's explore how these concepts are implemented on construction sites. Collaborative planning involves involving all stakeholders early in the planning process. This ensures that everyone's expertise is utilized, preventing misunderstandings and reducing rework. The last planner system focuses on detailed short-term planning, involving the last individuals in the construction process. This ensures better communication, higher commitment, and improved reliability in meeting project milestones. Target value delivery aims to align project scope with the available budget, fostering a cost-conscious approach from the start. This helps prevent cost overruns and ensures the project stays on track financially. Lean construction has transformed projects worldwide, leading to reduced costs, improved collaboration, and timely project delivery. By embracing these principles, the construction industry can build a future that's both efficient and sustainable. Thank you for joining us on this journey through lean construction principles. Whether you're a seasoned professional or new to the field, incorporating these principles can pave the way for a brighter, more efficient future in construction.